Meet Contoso, a globally distributed company with development teams in Seattle, Washington, and Berlin, Germany. Contoso is transforming their development experience with Microsoft DevBox, secure, self-serve, ready-to-code cloud development environments that can be tailored to meet their specific IT needs. Now let's dive into how they set it up. Contoso starts with using Microsoft Intune. Intune is built into DevBox as a prerequisite, providing valuable security and treating each DevBox the same as any other Intune-enrolled physical device. This integration allows Contoso to manage DevBoxes using the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, ensuring all devices are up to date with the latest security patches and policies. With Microsoft DevBox, Contoso organizes their development resources by project, ensuring each team gets the tailored environment they need to succeed. At the core of Contoso's DevBox setup is the Dev Center, the top-level resource that can be used to represent each division in Contoso. In the Dev Center, Contoso manages all projects and related resources for that division. Let's take a closer look at how Contoso configures their Consumer Applications division using the Dev Center. Dev Center network connections integrate seamlessly with Azure Virtual Networks, providing low-latency, secure, and private connections for developers in different regions. Contoso can set up separate network connections for their teams in Seattle and Berlin. The Dev Center also allows Contoso to use default images from Microsoft or create fully custom images. This ensures developers have the tools and configurations they need instantly, cutting onboarding time from hours to minutes. To streamline project management, admins at Contoso can set up project policies, which control access to machine configurations, images, network connections, and more for each project. For example, Contoso can create a high compute policy and a US-Germany network policy and assign them to the e-commerce project. This ensures developers on the e-commerce project have access to powerful 32-core 2TB DevBoxes and network connections in both West US and Berlin. Contoso can also set up a default policy that applies the Contoso base and backend image to all projects in the Consumer Applications Dev Center. Within each project, admins can now create DevBox pools using the configurations set by project policies, combining network connections, images, and machine setups. For instance, a DevBox pool can be created for the Berlin team with a 32-core 2TB configuration, the Berlin network connection, and Contoso base image. Another pool can be set up for the Seattle team with the same configuration, but with the West US network connection and the Contoso backend image. With DevBox pools configured, Contoso developers can now create and delete DevBoxes on demand, all within the guardrails set by admins, providing them ready-to-code cloud development environments tailored to their needs. With Microsoft DevBox, Contoso has streamlined development, secured their environments, and empowered teams globally with reliable high-performance workspaces. Empower your development teams today with Microsoft DevBox at aka.ms/devbox.